Hello everybody and welcome to another Cody's World video. Here today we have another brand new Flush Force 5-pack. Today with the Purple Mushroom Fun Guy. I found this one at a local Target and we're hoping our streak of no unflushables will stop here, but we don't know. We've opened 12 of these, still with no luck.
Yep.
It's a purple toilet.
So that probably means it's not foot and mouth. But you never know. Alright, so of course we have the fun guy.
Let's take a look.
Oh, this is one of those giant big figures.
Big figure.
Yeah, you know, one of those tacos. There's the taco. This is one of those two big figures.
Okay.
And then we have this roly-poly. Roly-poly.
Oh, wow. All right, so far this is a pretty horrible pack. I don't think we have seen the fun guy before, so this guy is new.
Well, we have an 8-pack.
This guy's probably one of the most common guys, but... All right, so what number's on the bottom of that toilet before we open it?
31.
31.
No limited.
No limited! No unflushable. Is there at least somebody new in there?
2 new people.
Okay, so...
They're both new. This guy is cool.
Oh, wow, okay. So
And then we have a clean freak. That is favorite clean freak, that is.
Oh, wow, okay, great.
Oh, so when I thought it was unflushable, I heard this green tab, not a purple one, sadly.
Oh, there's a green tab inside. Okay, can we look up the names of these two guys?
Oh,
So this guy's a foul floaty, right?
That guy is a foul floater.
Okay, and this guy's probably, I think his name's like Upchuck Duck or something, isn't it?
Rubber Chucky.
Rubber Chucky. Okay.
The other guy is Hook and Mouth.
Hook and Mouth. Okay. All right, so no unflushable, but
Those are two new characters.
these are 2 guys that we haven't really seen yet, so I think they're rolling them out in special ways. So, again, quick recap. Fun guy in the window.
Let's roll it up like how it was. This is the order that they were exactly.
Okay, and then in the toilet, you got the
Sort of what it
duck
was.
and the other guy. Okay, great. So, sorry, we still haven't been able to locate that 4th unflushable yet, but it's not for lack of effort. We're going to keep trying, but keep looking out, and if anybody knows which packs the foot and mouth, brain drain, or pink eye are, please leave a comment below. Help us out, because we're on the mission, but we haven't been able to find it. So let us know. And again, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.